Hi, welcome back. I'm Susan here with Visconti's latest limited edition. This is the Opera Master Savanna. The pen is inspired by the fascinating landscapes of the African savanna and represented in the beautiful semi-transparent resin cap and body. There are majestic swirls of yellow, brown, cream, and white throughout the pen. The pen has Visconti's patented Double Reservoir Power Filler, which can hold up to 10 cartridges of ink and safe for air travel. The pen features Visconti's in-house 18-karat gold nib, offered in extra fine, fine, medium, broad, and stub. The pen has Visconti's iconic hook-safe lock, which prevents the pen from accidentally unscrewing. And there's gorgeous yellow enamel on the beloved Ponte Vecchio clip. The pen has palladium trims, is limited to 888 pieces, and comes in this beautiful gift box. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon.